Hello everyone and welcome to this Amadeus GDS training scenario. In this video, I'll walk you through how to book a round-trip flight itinerary, creating a PNR and price that fare using the Amadeus selling platform. And of course, we have step 9. For the step 1, check availability and sell seats. First, we search a flight availability on the outbound and return dates. Once we find suitable flights, we sell the seat by creating the segment in the PNR. Step 2, create the name element. Next, I enter the passenger's name using the NM command. For example, NM1 Fisher/Lance, Mr. This adds Lance Fisher as the passenger 1. And for the step 3, add contact information. Then we add the contact details. We input the phone number with the AP command, APPAXCTCDEL, the number. We also add email or address if needed. Step 4, specify ticketing time limit. After that, we set a ticketing time limit using TKTL/DDMMM. This ensures that there's a deadline for when the ticket must be issued. Step 5, fill in the receive for field. To record who made the booking, we use the RF or the receive from entry. This is important for record keeping. Step 6, price itinerary. Now comes pricing. We use the FXP command to price the itinerary and generate a TST. For an example, FXP, this gives us a fare code including taxes. If we want to price for specific passengers, we can do FXP/P1 or FXP/P1/2. Depends on how many passengers. And for the step 7, review fare basis and rules. Once the fare is quoted, we'll look at the fare basis. The fare basis, fare rules, and any restrictions, cancellations, change policies, etc. It's essential to understand the rules before issuing the ticket. For the step 8, and retrieve the PNR. Then, we save the PNR using a finalizing command like ER or RT to end transaction and retrieve the PNR. This ensures that all entered elements are stored properly. And lastly, our step 9, confirm everything. Before closing, I review each PNR element, passenger's name, itinerary, phone, ticketing time limit, and fare. Making sure everything is correct avoids error later. And that completes our scenario. We've booked a round-trip flight, create the PNR with all mandatory elements, and price the fare correctly. With these steps, you'll be ready to handle basic bookings in Amadeus GDS. Thank you for watching and keep on practicing.